Dave's on his phone. Everybody's
Yeah. Hey, everybody.
worker safety. I'm so surprised at you
There he
managers
goes.
letting me just stand out here.
Come on, tornado. You can do it. I'm rooting for you.
So all of a sudden it just goes. Okay, time to go.
You can do this. Yeah, that's bigger and longer than it has been.
Boy, I thought our blackberries were left.
Yeah, I got it set up to. So I don't know how to zoom in on this thing now. Oh, that's cold.
Wow. It's pretty cool to watch. It does change and move quite a bit. Oh yeah. Yeah, I wonder how come the tornado sirens don't sound. Oh yeah.
Coming out.
Oh,
There it goes.
yeah, see that stuff?
Very cool.
That one guy's like, you got nothing to see here.
Yeah, it's as big and long as it's been.
It's getting really narrow.
There's almost looks like another one over there.
Well, I was just looking.
No.
It's starting to drop, isn't it?
Wow,
That'll be the monster.
far out.
That is.
Huh.
It just keeps going.
Cool, two
I
of
saw
them.
that earlier, and I thought, that can't be. It is, isn't it?
This is exciting.
That one might get more to it. Of course, we might have one right above our head and never know it. Your hair start going.
Hell yeah, that's definitely another little funnel cloud. Well, one of them's gone and the other one's just starting. It's kind of crazy that there's no rain or anything.
That's because it's all right there. Ready? It's coming. Dave's like, I'm in home. Let me know.
Yeah, that one's going. Look at it go. Very cool.
You need up all your memory videotaping that thing.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Oh yeah, that one might turn into a tornado.